Welcome students, in this video you will write your first Python program. So let's start. First, what you have to do is to set up your environment. For that you have to write Python 3 in Google and go to this link, download Python in www.python.org. You have to download by clicking download Python. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. After downloading, you have to install Python 3. It's a very simple procedure, so I am skipping it. After you have installed Python in your device, search and open IDLE. Let's search IDLE. You have to open this. This is the place which we will use to write program using Python. Note that Python installer for Windows contains the IDLE module by default, but this is not available by default in Python distribution for Linux. In that case, you have to install using respective package manager. For example, if you are using Ubuntu, you have to write in your terminal sudo apt-get install IDLE. IDLE contains a Python shell, just like a shell of any operating system. It lets you to use Python interpreter in an interactive way. It will execute a single Python command at a time. While using console-based input-output operation, you will get all the outputs in this cell, and if you want to give any input, you have to provide inputs in this cell only. Note that you can use Python shell to experiment with small code snippets, but as soon as you exit from the shell, all the data will be gone and you can't access that data again. IDLE contains a basic text editor. This is the basic text editor. It lets you to write Python codes here to save the program and execute it as many times you want and whenever you want. As with any programming language, in Python also we will start with a very basic program popularly known as Hello World. Let's write. First write here print within double quotation, write hello world. You have to close the quotation, you have to also close the bracket. Let's press enter. You will see the output is hello world. This code is itself very expressive and straightforward. What you will write inside double quotation will be printed here. Let's write another statement. Print within bracket, let's write hello happy coding, double quotation close, and you have to also close the braces and press enter. We'll see that anything you have write inside this quotation will be printed here. You can also use single quotation in place of double quotation. Let's write it. Print, let's write in single quotation hello Python. Let's close the quotation and also close the braces and press enter. You can see the output is exactly the same. You can use single quotation or you can use double quotation, but remember that You can't write print in capital. Let's write P in capital. Anything inside quotation, eyes, let's say. And now when you press enter, you will see some error. This is because Python is case sensitive language. That means lowercase and uppercase are different. Let's write the same code by creating a Python file. You can create a Python file with file, new file. Let's resize it. Now here write print within quotation hello Python. You can run this file as many times you want by here run module. You have to save it first. I am saving it in desktop, and the file name I want to keep is, let's give happy coding. You can see the name is happy coding. .py is the Python extension of Python file. It is in desktop and the output is hello Python. I can run it again. I can run it as many times as I want, but you can observe I can execute the same program as many times I want, but in the shell it is not possible. You can use the shell to provide input, to see the output, and to experiment with codes you don't want to store. That's it for this video.